Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning Surah Al Imran, ayah number 116 and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الذين كفروا لن تغني عنهم أموالهم ولا أولادهم من الله شيئا وأولئك أصحاب النار هم فيها خالدون. In Hamza is very sharp. For Kasra, give E sound, attach with Noon, and there will be Akmal Gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. In and Fatha is very short, which is being attached with Lam. Nal, la is short. The two counts long. Na short. Innalladina ka. There's no hums whatsoever in kaf when it is mutaharika. So ka short, and the sound is very clear. Ka fa. There is hums before you say fatha. The hums comes first. That is a flow of breath. This sound and then complete with fatha. Fa. Ka, fa, ru is heavy and two counts long. La, when you are saying sound for ikhfa and the ikhfa is with ta, the sound should sound like this. La, tughniya. So you are keeping the your tongue very straight and creating this sound. La, and for Dhamma, circle your lips, attach it to Ghain. Ghain will get Rakhawa and it is heavy. Ni is short. Ya is very soft. You're lifting your tongue up, but you're not touching the roof of your mouth. That is palate. Ni, ya, an. Ain should be from your throat. Squeeze your throat well to create this sound. And attach with noon. An. Give the wasut on noon. Hum. And the tawassut of noon and mim should be very much equal. Hum. For Dhamma, circle your lips, attach with mim, you will get the tawassut. Hamza is very sharp. For mim, give the tawassut. Wa is two counts long. Lu. For Dhamma, circle your lips, the sound is very short. Hum. For Dhamma, circle your lips, attach with mim, you will get the tawassut. But as soon as you will touch mim, your lips should be in a straight position because there is no Dhamma on mim. Hum. Wa. For wow, circle your lips, the sound is very short. La. Four counts long. Wala. Ow. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with wow, and this is lean, so you're giving two counts long. This is short and long, so give it time. Don't rush. For fatha, open your jaws and give a nice time, and then attach with wow softly. Ow. La is two counts long. Do. For the circle your lips, the sound is very short. And circle your lips well as you can see your lips with your eyes. These should be as prominent and as circled. So if you wanted to see your lips with your eyes, you should be able to see. So your lips should be a very nicely circled. Do. Hum. For the circle your lips. Attach with meme. This is idgham shafawi. And you are giving idgham kamila here. Akmal, the longest one. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Hum, mi. For kasra, give E sound. Nallahi, noon will be light, but as soon as you will touch Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, the lam should be heavy and it will be two counts long because this is by default, it's always long. Minallahi, he is short. Shay, this is lean, so give 2 counts long sound, and it should be soft. Shay, this is mad iwad, because whenever you find 2 fatha, you accept 1 and drop 1 and change it to 2 counts long, and that is called mad iwad. You're exchanging one sound to another, the sound of noon into long vowel. Shay'a. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. U. For dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. And we are not considering this wow because there is this written small 0 at the top. And that means we are not pronouncing this wow. So the sound of this hamza will be short. U. La. 4 counts long. And this is mad. Muttasil. Wajib. E for kasra, give E sound. The sound of E shouldn't be merged into this la. No, the sound of la should be very clear, and then ula E, la E, ka short. Us, hamza is very sharp for fatha upon your jaws, and attached with sod. Sod is heavy, and it will get rakhawa, and it has safir. There should be a whistle sound in sod. Us, and the sound of sod should flow because there is rakhawa. Us, ha, ha. There should be a misty sound before saying fatha, and the fatha is 2 counts long. Ha. Look, this sound is before fatha, and then it is completed by fatha. Ha, ha, bu. For the circle lips, the sound is very short. Oh, it is attached with noon. Bun. And there is akmal gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. And then there is mad arad lisukun. So you will make it 4 counts long and then attach with raw. And raw will be heavy when you are giving stop at the stop on raw because you find fatha before it. Ashabun nar. Be careful not to make noon heavy because of raw. Keep the sound of noon very light. Na, na. If you tend to make noon heavy because of raw, so cover raw with your hand as if there is no raw. And then say na. When you want it to stop, then you remove your hand and you will find raw there and make it heavy. It will be so easy for you to do that in this way. Nar, nar. Hum for the circle your lips attached with meme, you will get as the wasut, and your lips should be in a straight position when you touch meme. Hum, fi, there should be humps always. Whenever you see fa, you are giving humps, and humps is a flow of breath. Fi, ha is 2 counts long. Kho, 2 counts long, and this is heavy. Li for kasra, give E sound. Do. So you will make this 2 counts long sound into 4 because you are creating mad arid lisakun, and there will be tawassut when you are giving sakun on noon. Mathalu ma yunfi na fi hadhihi الحياة الدنيا كمثل ريح فيها صر أصابت حرث قوم ظلموا أنفسهم فأهلكت وما ظلمهم الله ولكن أنفسهم يظلمون. Ma short. Tha from your right makhraj. The makhraj of tha is touching the tip of your tongue to the upper, the edge of your upper two teeth. So, ma, tha, lu. Lu is short, but circle your lips very well for dhamma. Ma, 2 counts long. Yung, for dhamma, circle your lips. And give ikhfa. How you create ikhfa? First of all, you are not pronouncing the sound of noon. Secondly, you're keeping the sound in your nose. Thirdly, you're going towards the makhraj, which is coming up, and that is fa. Yung. So you are keeping your 2 teeth on the upper lip, and it's very close, and you will be ready to say fa. Yung fi. Is 2 counts long, and it is heavy. Na, short. Fi, give hums always. Whenever you see fa, you are giving hums. Fi, 2 counts long. Ha is 2 counts long. The, for kasra, give e sound and engage right makhraj. And the makhraj of dal is same makhraj of tha. You're touching the edge of your upper teeth with your tip of your tongue. The, heel, for kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get tawassut. Heel, ha is short. Yeah, softly and 2 counts long. Eid, for kasra, give e sound. Make sure you say t and then attach with noon. Tid, tid, t. If you wanted to check your kasra, if it's right or wrong, you say t, b, thi. Am I saying this sound when I'm joining it with the other letter? T, t, and then dal. Tid, dun, for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with noon. And here is izhar mutlaq. So you are not giving idgham, but you are saying it with idhar. Tud, dun, sorry, tid, dunya, dun. Give idhar, and with izhar, tawassut comes. So rule will be idhar, but the sifa will be tawassut. Dunya, ka is short, ma short, tha short, li, kamathali, ri is light and 2 counts long, ri, ikhfa with fa. So you're ready to say fa, so your upper 2 teeth should be close to your lower lip. Fi is 2 counts long. Ha, 2 counts long. There should be hums always. Fiha, sir. Swad is heavy, and it has for kasra, give e sound attached with a raw. Sir, sir. Raw will be heavy. Run, idhar with tawassut. Run, short. Saw with whistle and 2 counts long and heavy. Saw, but ta will get hums. Whenever ta is with sukoon, it gets hums. But how, there should be misty sound before fatha. How. So create this sound very nicely. How, and raw will be heavy and with tawassut. How, ta is short. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with ba, and this is lean, so you are making it 2 counts long, and say it softly. This is ikhfa, so you are hiding the sound of noon, going towards the makhraj of dha, and you're not saying the noon sound. So and dha is heavy, so this ikhfa will be heavy. So how you create heavy sound? You lift your tongue up always, and you're not circling your lips at all. Ming, wo, le, mu. 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil. Ja is mu. Hamza is very sharp, and ikhfa with fa. So your lips, your mouth should be ready to say fa, and you're not going towards the makhraj of noon and keeping the sound in your nose, and this is what ikhfa is. So 3 steps. Fu, sa, hum, for the circle your lips attached with me. Me will get tawassut. Hum, fa, hums with hums, and fatha is short. For fatha, open your jaws and attach with ha, and ha will get rakhawa. La is short. Cat. Give hums first on ta and then give rakhawa on ha. So if you can't handle both these two things together, so hide ha and then say cats, cats. If you are comfortable saying this, then remove your hand and say cats, la cat. Good. Wa for wow, for fatha open for wow, circle your lips. For fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. The is heavy. For fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. La ma, all three are of the same size. Hu is also short. For dhamma, circle your lips. Mullahu, meme will be light, but lips jalala will be heavy, and that will be 2 counts long always. Who ظلمهم الله لا is 2 counts long. Kin إظهار والتوسط. Kin Hamza is very sharp, and إخفاء, I'm sorry, this is إخفاء. Fu for the circle your lips. Short sound is very short. Hum for the circle your lips. Attach with me. Me will get sifat tawassut. Hum. Yaw. Ya will be light. There shouldn't be any sound of sound in ya. This is very different. This is not Y. This is Arabiya ya. So the sound of ya is very different from any other language. So yaw. There should be rakhawa, and it is heavy. Yali. For kasra, give E sound. The sound is very short. Moon. 4 counts long, and give tawassut. This is mad'arat lisakun. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.